A. Height and weight.
Bettina Schwenker is a very tall woman. Tom Jakes is quite short.
If you aren't tall or short, you are of medium height.
Agatha Sanchez is really slim.
I was very thin when I was in hospital.
The doctor said I am overweight.
Their cat is very fat. It needs to go on a diet.
B. Face and head.
Suri has dark skin and dark hair. She has brown eyes. Polly has blonde or fair hair and fair skin. She has blue eyes. Ben has a beard and long hair. He has green eyes. Luca has a moustache and short hair. You can also use has got. For example, Suri has got dark hair and dark skin. My mother is a very beautiful woman. My dad's a very good-looking man. My sister is pretty. Bob's an ugly man. I'm not ugly or beautiful. I'm just average-looking.
C. Age. My grandmother is 97. She's very old. My sister is 14. She's young, but would like to be older. My father is 56. He's middle-aged, but would like to be younger. This hospital is for elderly people, more polite than old. D. Expressions.
How tall is Bettina?
She's 1.85 meters tall.
How tall is Tom?
He's 1.48 meters tall.
How heavy are you?
I weigh 62 kilos.
How much do you weigh?
I weigh 74 kilos.
How old is he?
He's 84.
What does Gemma look like?
She's tall and dark.
What does your sister look like?
She's very pretty.